everyone, thank you for watching our channel. Hope you are all doing good and staying safe at home. Today's review is going to be on the most trending product on Instagram, and that is the Tribe Concept. I have got 3 products with me today, which is the Face Brightening Kit, the 24K Kumkumadi Thailam and the Collagen Boosting Kit. The first product I'm going to talk about is the Face Brightening Daily Cleanser. This cleanser comes in a steel tin and without steel tin. The price difference is only about 30 rupees. I got it with the steel tin because from next time I can just get it in a packet and refill it. This can be used in 3 forms. One as a daily cleanser, a scrub and a mask. This is the consistency of this cleanser. So if we have to use this as a cleanser, just take about a teaspoon of this, add about 2 spoons of water, you get like a thick paste consistency. You have to just rub it on your face for about 30 to 60 seconds. Secondly, to use as a scrub, we do the same formula, that is, add about 1 teaspoon of powder, add about 1 teaspoon of water, you get a little harder consistency and you rub it on your face for close to 1 minute. This mixture, when mixed with water, becomes a very thin mixture. That is why we use it. It can be used as a scrub as well as a cleanser. To make it as a mask, we need a little more thicker consistency. And to make it a thicker consistency, we can use a vegetable puree such as a tomato puree or yogurt. This will make the consistency of a face mask. We apply this on the face and leave it on for 30 minutes and then wash it. The benefits of this product is it increases skin brightening, reduces open pores, removes blackheads, creates a younger looking bright radiant skin. This product smells like a pure Ayurveda ingredient. To talk in a layman language, it smells like turmeric sandalwood mixture, which is powdered form. The next product I'm going to talk about is the 24K Kumkumadi Thailam. This comes in a 30 ml bottle for rupees 999, and I purchased it from the official Tribe Concept page in Instagram. So I'm going to show you how this product looks. This product comes with a filler and is about bright orange color. The product smells exactly like an Ayurveda oil. Very nice. People who are fond of Kerala oils, I think, would love this Thailam. This Thailam has 3 main ingredients, which is saffron, haridra and manjishta. So I'm going to tell you about the benefits of the 3 main ingredients. Talking about saffron, as we all know, saffron is used for skin brightening. Secondly, manjishta, it helps in blood cleansing. It's an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant ingredient. And haridra, it is an anti-inflammatory ingredient. So I think all these 3 ingredients combined in the oil, when massaged on the skin, is going to be of a very great use for all of us. How to use this oil? Take about 3 to 4 drops of oil, apply it on your freshly washed face and leave it on for 30 minutes to 1 hour and wash it off with a cleanser. If you have a very dry face, you can either leave it overnight and wash it off the next day morning for very good results. What I do is I keep it the entire night and wash it the next day morning. The final product I'm going to talk about is the Collagen Boosting Shilajit Thailam. This product is a 12 ml bottle which I have purchased for 1499 rupees from the Tribe Concept page on Instagram. This product has 3 main ingredients, which is the Himalayan Shilajit, Indian ginseng and saffron. Before talking about this Thailam, I would want to tell you what a collagen is. A collagen is an ingredient which is a natural protein structure in our skin which helps in giving suppleness, elasticity and firmness. As we age, the protein layer, which is called a collagen, keeps coming down, which leads to wrinkle and the skin being less elastic. Therefore, These type of oils helps in firming up the skin and reduces the aging process. Firstly, I'm going to tell you what an Himalayan Shilajit is. It's basically a black substance found in the Himalayan mountains, which is purified, processed and taken as oil. The benefits of Shilajit is it has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps in reducing uneven skin tone seen on the faces and removes pigmentation gradually. The next ingredient which I'm going to talk about is the Indian ginseng, which is also called as ashwagandha. This is a common ingredient which is found in all the Ayurveda shampoos. This ingredient helps in removing the uneven skin tone, removes pores and removes darkening of skin. The third ingredient I'm going to talk about is the saffron. As mentioned earlier, saffron helps in improving the skin's complexion. How do I use this oil? I basically take 3 to 4 drops of oil. I apply it on my face and leave it for about 30 minutes and wash it off with a cleanser. This oil can be applied any time of a day, but it is best applicable if it is left overnight on your face. So why did I buy all these products? The main reason is I, being a new mother, had severe skin problems such as bad pigmentations, dark circles and uneven skin tones. Did these oils help? Yes, it did help. I used to apply it every night and I leave it, wash it on the face the next day morning, and there is a significant result seen. The results are gradual, but it is seen. It is best effective if it is used with a washout tool, which helps in blood circulation on your face. The link to buy the products is on the description box below. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and like this page. Thank you.